Welcome back to Sleep Candle channel. My name is Aoi San and I will be your host for today. Now I am at Sai Baba 2 in Bangkok. So follow with me guys. I saw a motorbike stand in Bangkok. Motorbike is very popular transportation because our transportation, public transportation like taxi and other things are a little bit expensive for me. But for the motorbike, it is way cheaper than that, and it is legal in Bangkok. So you can see them in everywhere, and it is legal. So they are working at the law, so they always wear proper helmet and gloves for their safety. And I also saw small restaurant in here, so let's try the food in here.
Hi guys, this is me, Aoi San. I'm sorry that the sound of this video did not record properly. So now I'll try to tell you what I am saying here. Now I order Pad Krapow. This is what we call in Thailand. This is very popular and the most popular dish in Thailand. And when you go to the restaurant and you have no idea what you order, just eat this. And you can order this Pad. And yeah, this is how they made. You will see bean and chopped pieces of chicken. And for fragrance, they use basil leaf and they also use a lot of chili, which is really strong smell. So let's just try the taste. The taste of Pad Krapow is really spicy. So if you love spicy, you will love it. But it is not that spicy. You will just feel the fragrance of chili and the taste of basil in here. So the taste is really unique. No wonder this is very popular in Thailand. The taste is really good. And they also add prawn. But if you like other meats like pork or beef, you can just order that. But chicken Pad is the most popular in Thailand. And the price of this only costs 50 bahts, which is around $1.5. So this is pretty fair price. Maybe this is because this is street food and this is local restaurant. And everywhere you go in every restaurant, you will see this kind of soy sauce. You can eat anything with this kind of soy sauce. So if you feel the taste is really light, you can just pour into your food. Let's try this. Mm. This is good, but the soy sauce is really salty. So if you love salty and strong taste, you will love it. But for me, the original taste is perfect. So I won't add more of it.
So I finished my lunch. So let's move on.
Oh, I saw a hospital over there, which is called. I can read it since the car is parked in front of the name. Oh, I can read it now. It is called Tamanatai. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. And another hospital on the other side of the road that is called Care Life Family. So there are two hospitals in this area. So when you feel sick or something like that, you can come here to this road. And I also find a restaurant, but I will just skip because I had my lunch. I just had it. And I see street food stands over there, so let's just ahead. I guess there are like temporary towns area, so they are gonna build a new building in here. And what I see here is a fruit stand, so you can see watermelon. And there is no seed in watermelon. It is so strange to me. And you can also see pineapple and apple. Oh, this might be coconut. It is so small. It's just my opinion. I mean, and I got mango from the fruit stand. Even though this is a mango, this doesn't look like a mango in Yangon. Especially, you can see, look at the appearance. I don't know how they remove it. This is sour. Even though the appearance might look different, but the taste is the same. This is yang mango, so the taste is really sour, like in Yangon. We love to eat like that too. Sour. And they also give me this, so let's just pour. And try that. The taste is a lot better when I eat mango alone. The taste is really sour, but this time when I eat with this when I pour this, the taste really better, and it is contain sugar, chili powder, so it is like salt, spicy, salty, and sour. When you combine with the sour taste, the taste becomes perfect. And the price of this mango costs 20 baht, which is around 70 cents. So you can say it is cheap in Bangkok. and you can also tell it is fake.
As you see, there are still a lot of street food stands behind me, and we are going to upload it in our sister channel, Easily Bangkok. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to watch this in our sister channel, Easily Bangkok. So see you in the next video.